Today, we're going to talk about some unique and useful things that you may want to bring on your next cruise. And these go beyond the basics like sunscreen and bathing suits. So if you would like to see what I bought and what I'm planning to bring on my upcoming trip, please keep watching. Welcome back to Freshly Squeezed Travels. I hope you are having a splendid day wherever you are. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Kim. So I have a pile of things here that I am planning on taking on our upcoming voyage. And I'm really excited about this cruise because it is for my parents' 50th wedding anniversary, and we are hoping we are still going to be able to sail, and it looks like we will. So we are very excited about that. So these are just some things that I've found that might help you have a better vacation. Oh, my co-host Bimini is with me, apparently, and so she's going to be hanging out with us if you hear her in the background. Come on, kiss. Let me kisses. This is Bimini, everybody. She likes to hang out with me when I'm filming. I don't know why. Anyway, back to the topic at hand. Before we jump in, if you like cruising and you like cruising videos, please give this a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I do lots of cruise videos and I would love to have you as part of my traveling party. Now, most of these items I got off of Amazon because I love Amazon Prime and I might have an Amazon Prime problem. But I will link all of the products in the description box below in case you are interested in checking any of them out. First, I'm going to talk about a portable safe from SafeGo, and I am so excited for this product. This is from Amazon and I have it right here. This is a portable safe. Now this is really cool because one of the things that we do a lot when we go on cruises is we tend to go to beaches, we tend to go swimming in the ocean or swimming in pools. We're always wondering what to do with our passport, our wallets, and our phones. And what we end up normally doing is we end up putting it in someone's shoe or we put it under a towel just to try to hide our valuables. But this gives an extra level of protection because what it is it is a portable safe and you put your valuables inside. There's plenty of room for your passports, your phone, your money, your ID, and then you close it, you lock it. It has a combination lock and it also has a key, and then you wrap it around whatever you want to, whether it's the back of your lounge chair or a pole or a palm tree or whatever you want. You just lock the lock and that gives an extra level of safety to protect your valuables. Now this is obviously not 100% foolproof. Somebody could, take your whole lounge chair, for example, but this does give you an extra level of security, and this is a steel cable, so it is very difficult to cut. On Amazon, this was $45, and as I mentioned, it comes in a lot of different colors, and I happened to pick this pink because I thought it was pretty. Next, I have a portable fan, and this is super cute and useful, and here it is. Again, it comes in a lot of different colors, and this is from Easy ACC, and it's $14. I also got this on Amazon. This is great if you're sitting on your balcony or if you're out by the pool or on a beach and you just want a little breeze. This has 3 different speeds, and it's actually quite strong, so here I'll show you. This is speed 1, speed 2, and speed 3. Oh, I feel like Beyonce. Anyway, I think this is fantastic, especially for such a low price, and I think it's going to come in very handy on our upcoming vacation. Moving on to this power strip. Now this is also from Amazon and it was $16, and this comes in very handy on cruises. We've actually taken this on several cruises. It has 3 different outlets here. One thing with cruise ships is there aren't many power outlets, so this really comes in handy. Now this does not have surge protection because power strips with surge protection are banned by cruise lines. I have a video that talks all about banned cruise items, and I will link it at the end of this video if you'd like to check it out, because if you do bring on a power strip with surge protection, you may end up in the naughty room. So this gives you the extra outlets you need without having to pay the naughty room a visit. Something else that is banned on most cruise lines are clothes irons. And this next item comes in quite handy to get the wrinkles out of your clothes. This is the Laundress Crease release. So what I do when I am on cruises is I take our garments and I hang them on hangers, and I hang them in the bathroom while we shower. And then after that, I spray this on the hard to get out wrinkles, and it really, really helps. This is $16, and guess where I got it? Amazon Prime. But this is fantastic, and I definitely recommend bringing some sort of crease release spray on your cruise. Moving on to something I'm really excited to bring on this trip, something that I've actually wanted for a while. This is a Michael Kors passport holder, and it has slots here for your ID cards or your credit cards. And I love this because not only is it super cute, but it also holds your ID and your credit card. I don't like to bring my entire wallet with me when I go on trips, so this is going to be perfect. And I just think it's so stylish. Now this comes with a luggage tag, and it is on the Michael Kors website for about $90, marked down from $200. It is a little bit pricey, but if you are in the market for something cool, and I think this will last for a very, very long time, check it out. Moving on, I have these really nice swim shirts from Bass Pro Shop, Worldwide Sportsman. These have SPF 50 protection, and I love to throw one of these on when I'm going to go into the ocean, and my husband loves these also. These were regularly $20. My husband and I got these on sale for $15, and I will link them below. We got them in two colors. We have the blue. This one has short sleeves, and we also got one in red with long sleeves. And this is just so helpful in protecting yourself against the sun. I mean, you can definitely put on sunscreen, and you should, but this is just an added layer of protection against the sun, and it's just so easy. Put it on when you go into the water and then take it off when you get back under the umbrella. And now on to something that can really make your stay in your cabin a little bit more pleasant, and that is Poo-Pourri. If you are traveling with your kids in the same cabin, or maybe you're doing a friend's cruise and you've got 3 or 4 of you in that pretty small space, having this in the bathroom can really make a big difference. I got this on Amazon, and in case you are curious, the scent is Tropical Hibiscus. So this will be in the bathroom on our upcoming cruise. Now, one of the things you may not think about bringing on a cruise ship is a nightlight, but it can actually be very useful. The cabin is very dark at night, obviously, and if you get up and you have to stumble to the bathroom, a nightlight can be a big help. I bought a 3-pack of these motion sensor nightlights on Amazon, and one of the really cool things is that they are magnetic, but they also have the sticky pads too if you want to install them that way. And on most cruise ships, the doors and things like that are magnetic, so you can put these on. They are battery operated, and then when you get up and you pass by them, they will glow and you won't trip going into the bathroom. Next, packing cubes. I recently bought the cutest set of packing cubes, and here they are. It comes with several different sizes of packing cubes, and you sort your clothes or the things that you want to bring with you in each cube, and it makes it so much easier to unpack. These are also from Amazon, and they come in many different colors. I chose the teal. They have a zipper closure, and also there's a way to see what's inside because it has a mesh top. Now the set I got has 4 different packing cubes in various sizes, so I'm planning to put my t-shirts and tank tops in one. I'm going to put the things that I need to hang up in another, and then my undergarments in another, and then also it comes with a shoe bag, which is super cute, and it has a bag for your toiletries, and also a bag that I thought was so smart. This is a carry-on approved bag for airlines, so that is included with it also. The whole set was about $20, and I think it is a bargain considering how many different bags you do get. And finally, if you like to document your travels like I do, I have the Soar selfie light that attaches to your phone. Oh, and by the way, if you want to follow me on my upcoming trip, please follow me on Instagram because I will be documenting everything that goes on the ship. It's Virgin Voyages, by the way. So how this works is you simply clip it on your phone, and then you hit the button at the top. It's battery operated, and it has different settings, and it is going to make your selfies look so much better. Trust me, there's a reason I have a ring light in my studio. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know if there's something that you always bring with you on a cruise vacation, maybe something that people wouldn't expect. And until next time, I hope you have happy and safe travels. Thanks for watching.